everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the IGOLUMON, and these are some underwear. Let's check these out and see what they look like. They are current, comfortable, and breathable. And it's a 6-pack. And look at all these beautiful colors we got. We got black, 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 I think blue, gray, red. So which ones? Let's look at some of these blue ones and see how they look like. This is what they look like here. They are nice kind of boxer briefs. They have the little hole in here. They are QC passed. That is always good to have. And they have the nice stretchy top. And look, they look pretty comfortable. We're gonna try these on right as we are on the phone, as we are recording. And here we are. So here I am. I'm gonna show you guys me in my underwear. So this is what I look like in my underwear. They got a little bit of length here. Feels good up here. Nice and tight, but not too tight. Super feel comfortable. It feels like I'm not wearing anything. So these are really comfortable, and they're kind of spandexy, so that's kind of good. They got a nice feel to it. You can kind of see I'm about 185 pounds. I'm way too heavy right now, but you can see, and I have a size, I don't know what size these are. Let me look at the inside here and see what size it is. I am wearing a medium. It says medium. So they are made of bamboo and rayon. Right there, you can kind of see the tag. And these are really ridiculously comfortable. So I like them, they are good. We'll see, that's it. And hey ladies, I'm single. Okay, but here we go. This is it. So I hope you guys like it. These are awesome, I love them, so thumbs up for me.